class, this is Kim. I'm going to show you, this week you're making a validated form for your website. And you're going to be using JavaScript to validate your form. So what I have right here is a simple validated form with just the name and the name input field right here, and the simple JavaScript that goes along with it. You have a function right here called validate form. Okay? Right here you have the form name, which is my form, and it's referred in the JavaScript right here. Document forms. The my form F name refers to the name of the input field, which is right here, name F name. So what happens is if the input field F name is empty, which is these two exclamation points, JavaScript will alert the name must be filled out. So if we preview it, name, we don't fill it out, we hit submit, the JavaScript gives an alert message, name must be filled out. So your question is, how do you add additional input fields? So what I'm going to do is down here in the form, I'm going to copy the input field for name. I'm going to make an additional input field for email. Okay. Also, JavaScript is case sensitive, so you want to get in the habit of doing everything lowercase. So the name for the input field for email, I'm just going to call it email. And what I can do is I can come up here to my JavaScript, copy this, and paste. Okay, so we're doing another if statement. So if, and the X right here, oh, hang on, I copied the wrong part. I'm glad I showed you this. Okay, and we copy from the very top where it says variable X document. Okay, so the variable name is already being used for the name field. So we can give it another variable name. A variable name can be anything you want to call it. Since it's email, I'm going to call it variable E. Okay? The variable name is also referred down here in the if statement. So right here under my form, so we have variable E, my form, and then what we do here is we refer to the input field, to email. So if variable E of my form email is empty, right here, alert, email must be filled out. You can also check if they have a .com or if they're using numbers or letters also when you validate a field. But for this first assignment, this is all that's required. Okay, also additional down here, the action is the PHP page. You do not have to make the PHP page this week, and it's not a requirement of this class, but what it will do is post a sample PHP page for you to use, so your form will actually send you an email when you submit it. So let's go to save, and let's preview our form right now. Okay. So we're in, so name, we don't fill it out, we hit submit, name must be filled out. Okay. I'll put in the name John. Okay, I hit submit. Okay, email must be filled out. So I'll put in email address. Okay, and when I hit submit, it's going to look for the PHP page that you're going to make later in the term. So don't worry about that right now. Let me leave this code up as the last screen in case you want to pause the video. Anyways, if you have any questions about this, please post it in the general discussion board, and I will talk to you guys later.